Everything you need to know about slow and fast metabolism. Having a slow metabolism can have negative health consequences, such as weight gain, fatigue, feeling sluggish, and difficulty in completing simple tasks. Although there are certain factors that can influence metabolism, such as muscle mass and physical activity, are our eating habits responsible for this? Today we will find out in this video, where we will analyze the main causes of a slow metabolism. Surely you have heard many times about the influence of metabolism on weight loss. Some people talk about the importance of speeding it up. But what is the truth about whether the metabolism is fast or slow? Before talking about the causes, it is important to clarify that there is no magic formula to speed up the metabolism significantly, but there are definitely habits that can be adopted to make it work properly. We recommend you watch all our videos to learn all about the journey of losing weight. And if it is the first time you see one of our videos, we invite you to like it, subscribe, and activate our notifications. Do not forget that we want to accompany you in this process that will change your life. First of all, what does metabolism have to do with our body weight? When we eat, we consume proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, which, through digestion, will be broken down by enzymes, obtaining amino acids, monosaccharides, or simple sugars, and fatty acids. These will be absorbed into the bloodstream until they reach the cells, where they release or store energy. To talk about a fast or slow metabolism, let us now talk about the minimum energy we need on a daily basis is known as basal metabolism and is different from person to person. If our energy consumption or expenditure is low, our body will tend to burn few calories and accumulate fat, a consequence of what is known as slow metabolism. But if we maintain an active lifestyle and our energy needs are greater, our metabolism will be faster and will process the nutrients ingested more quickly. According to experts, 60% of our body's calorie expenditure is spent on the internal workings of the organism, such as breathing or the functioning of our organs. Thus, 50% goes to the maintenance of vital functions, 40% to cellular metabolism, and the remaining 10% to the muscular functioning of organs such as the stomach or the heart. Metabolism plays an important role in weight loss, as it is the process the body uses to convert food into energy and perform its functions. Metabolism can be fast or slow, depending on different factors that influence our health. Someone with a fast metabolism burns a lot of calories even at rest, while if you have a slow metabolism, your body needs fewer calories to maintain its vital functions. To lose weight, it is necessary to consume fewer calories than are burned through physical activity and metabolism. How to know if you have a slow or fast metabolism? People who have a fast metabolism usually have faster digestive processes. That is, a normal meal can be digested in an hour, while people who have a slow metabolism are longer to digest food and can even spend more than 2 hours with the feeling of having just eaten. Another sign that will help you to know is your perspiration. That is to say, if it is hard for you to sweat, or, even when exercising, you sweat very little, it is because you have a slow metabolism. On the other hand, people who sweat a lot is because their metabolism works hard, making the whole body is in constant energy expenditure. The factors that determine the higher basal cost are height and body volume, musculature, and the age. Height and age are factors that we cannot change. What we can do to activate the metabolism and get it to consume more calories is to build muscle. Muscles are the most active metabolic tissue in the body, the one that generates the most heat energy. So, your musculature or your diet depends on you. Now we will focus on slow metabolism and its main causes and what to do to make it work properly. Let's start with diet because it has a significant impact on metabolism. A balanced and healthy diet can help keep the metabolism active and accelerated, and there are eating habits that make it take longer to do its functions, such as eating too fast and not chewing food well can also slow down the metabolism. Eating breakfast too late or not eating breakfast at all. If too many hours elapse between dinner and breakfast, the body may suffer from the lack of food and become alert. Doing a diet poor in fiber. It is necessary to increase the levels of fiber in our diet if we want to increase the speed of our metabolism. If we talk about diet, we must also clarify that proteins are key to maintaining muscle, but it is also necessary to have an adequate supply of carbohydrates, because if we do not do so, we will end up destroying muscle mass. Not drinking water. If you want to keep your metabolism active and avoid dehydration, you must drink enough water. You are not physically active is a cause of slow metabolism. Daily physical activity will increase caloric expenditure, which will cause the metabolism to work faster to burn calories, as the body needs nutrients more immediately. Aerobic activity is recommended. Try to get at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity every day. Moderate aerobic exercise includes activities such as brisk walking, bicycling, swimming, and mowing the lawn. Vigorous aerobic exercise includes physical activities such as running, strenuous yard work, and aerobic dancing. Muscle strengthening exercises for all major muscle groups at least twice a week are also recommended. Muscle strengthening can include using weight machines, your own body weight, heavy bags, resistance bands, resistance paddles in water, or doing physical activities such as rock climbing. Strength exercises serve to strengthen the musculature and increase endurance. It is important to work the main muscles of the body: legs, hips, back, chest, abdomen, shoulders, and arms. Failure to maintain healthy sleep habits is also a major cause, since sleeping less than 6 hours a day, in addition to increasing stress levels, can cause damage to the metabolism and increase the chances of suffering pathologies such as diabetes. Other causes may be organic problems, such as hypothyroidism. When the thyroid gland is not functioning properly, there can be a slowing of metabolism and, with it, weight gain. It is also important to note that other medical conditions that influence the basal metabolic rate may include muscle wasting, prolonged starvation, low oxygen levels in the body, muscle disorders, depression, and diabetes. Rather than focusing on metabolism, it is important to maintain a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity to maintain a healthy weight and overall good health. Another interesting point you should know is that your metabolism works best when your blood sugar is stable. All the foods you eat affect the sugar levels in your body. Simple carbohydrates, however, act faster, radically changing blood sugar levels. By having your levels balanced, your metabolism works better and keeps you satisfied longer. With all this information, you must already feel relieved, right? Did you know all this? The important thing is to recognize those habits that we must change and improve your weight loss process, and why not use quality products? We recommend you. Our products are designed to help you speed up your metabolism, which will allow you to reach your weight loss goals in a faster and healthier way, as you can find them together with other products that are easy to prepare, such as our Lasso Tea, NutriBurst Liquid Multivitamin, Organic Supplement, and Delgada Coffee. You will be impressed with all that they bring, as they will benefit you in many ways. Find them in the link of the description. Place your order now. We hope that this video has served you a lot of information for this process in your life, and it is important to have good support. Knowing our metabolism is important for weight loss, as it is the process the body uses to convert food into energy and perform its functions. Remember that your metabolism slows down as you grow. There are many theories about this, and it is not known for sure why. However, what is certain is that as we grow, our body stops using the same amount of energy. But there is no need to worry, because having a diet high in nourishing foods and constant physical activity will keep the metabolism working perfectly. If you liked this video, follow us and you will find many videos that will help you to transform your life. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell. See you soon.